Hello again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to discuss my journey so far with Midjourney. Playing with this generative AI tool and just kind of sharing what I've seen so far. So let's get started. I'm taking a piece of art which I created about a year ago in a video called Buffer Geometry Art, where we just took a bunch of points in 3D space, jammed them into an array, and fed that to this buffer geometry art with some colors, and it looks something like this. I'm just going to turn off the rotation so that's not happening, and kind of frame it up in some way. Let's see, let's generate a new one. That's pretty cool, and get a position I like. And I'm on a Mac, so I'm just going to take a screenshot by typing Shift Command 4 and then selecting the region I want to capture. Okay, and I'm going to come over to Midjourney. As you're well aware, I'm sure Midjourney exists on a Discord chat, and I'm going to click this little plus next to the message to upload a file and select my screenshot. Good. Open that up and upload it. Midjourney, as of Midjourney 5, I believe, you're able to give the bot an image, and it'll use that for the basis of its creation. So I'm going to type in imagine, and I'm going to give it this image. Whoops. And then just add some prompt to kind of explore. Let's see, white background. An aspect ratio of 1:1, and let's see if that's enough for me. Oh, yeah, that's enough. Let's just hit it. See what happens. This is the part where we fast forward. Whoops. Okay, Midjourney completed its work, and wow, it's really abstract. It has the same kind of color and transparency of the original, and I don't like any of these. They just look amorphous and not very interesting to me. The next thing I want to talk about is this feature with a describe keyword. And describe takes an image. I'm going to upload that same image. Okay, and just that's that. Just feed it that. And Midjourney's going to take that, and it's going to create 4 prompts to describe this thing. And I'm going to fire off the first one. Whoa. What is this? This form will be submitted to Midjourney bot. Do not share passwords or other. Oh, interesting. Okay. I'm just gonna click all of them. Yep. That's good. 3 and 4. Okay. And let's just see what Midjourney returns with its own prompts that it created. The cool thing about the describe function feature is that it can suggest prompts that you might not have thought of. For example, this first one, edgy compositions, spiky mounds, light green and dark azure, minimalist representations, free-flowing lines, colorful abstractions, and so on. Yeah, and you could even pick and choose these. Oh wow, look how that's coming out. A mix and match the bits of the prompts to create a new one. That's what I like to do. Okay, so the first one's done. Let's see how that looks. Wow, it's really different, right? But you can see how it's related. Ooh, this bottom one is really cool. That's really cool. Let's see what else we got here. We got a couple more. Here's the second prompt. Yeah, I don't think that was very successful. The third prompt. is also really cool, really crystalline, like forms with shadows and reflections and whatnot. Excuse me. And I think we have one more. This one's cute. You've reached the maximum number of concurrent jobs. Don't worry, it'll start as soon as the other one's finished. Great, no problem. Let's have a look at the last one. Wow, very kind of crystalline structures. Not great, in my opinion. There's a couple other features that are new to Midjourney 5.1 that I thought we could explore quickly. Let's assemble a prompt and then we'll explore some of those settings. In fact, one of them is settings. Type in settings, and you can set the version, the default version of Midjourney that you want to use each time. That you can explore this raw mode, which is a way to generate images using version 5.1, which are there are less assumptions made. There's less styling provided by Midjourney. It's on you. So yeah, you can see all this other stuff. There's lots of videos out that describe what these functions do, but that's the settings keyword. Back to Midjourney. Let's create a prompt and then explore some of the a couple of the new features. That first one I think was the most successful. So let's start with this one. Okay. I'm going to say imagine and then give it this prompt. Colorful clusters of colorful objects with triangles in the style of sharp and edgy compositions. Translucent color, spiky mounds, light and green, dark, light green. I'm going to take out those directions. Take out the color there. And I have a little collection of prompts that I'd like to try out over here. I just found these searching through the internet. No, I don't like origami. How about stained glass, phantasmal, iridescent? Oh no, I know. Where is it? Ornate dark fantasy. Isn't that interesting? Let's see what happens if we try that one. Ornate dark fantasy, minimalist, free-flowing lines, colorful abstractions, and let's change the aspect ratio to something like 4:3. In fact, let's try the different versions of Midjourney out, and using a feature, permutations, which is something new to 5.1. To use permutations, you're going to type this curly bracket syntax, and I'm going to say --v and start with version 5, comma, --v, and then try version 5.1, just like that, and then --v 5.1, but with --style raw. Okay. And if I submit that, it's saying, do you want to use all three of these? And I can click show prompts and see the prompts. Yep, that's what I want to do, and I'm going to submit those. Here's version 5, version 5.1, and version 5.1 style raw. One thing I could have done is to add a seed option to each of these as well. That way we'd be assured that like each one is starting at the same place. As it is, they're all using the same prompts, so they're going to be kind of similar. Let's get rid of this. Okay, I think that's a faster way to do things when you use the permutations feature. So let's look at our first one. This is version, I want to use it, look at version 5 first. This is version 5. Awesome. I like this one down here. Has a like paint splatter kind of effect. But this is cool too. And then going to 5.1. This is the one with more kind of like style injection. It's designed so that you can write smaller prompts, even though I use the same prompt. This bottom one is really cool. This one's cool too. I like this spherical feature it just threw in there. And this is 5.1 raw. Also cool. Oh, I really like this third one. Some of the other things to explore in Midjourney, the chaos keyword and the style keywords. Maybe play with permutations some more. I don't know. I find this a very useful tool for inspiration and for idea generating. I like the composition I created, but exploring alternatives using Midjourney has been really cool. The other day I fed it that same image and I got this back. This is with the alcohol ink keyword. How cool is that? How cool is this one? This is cool because it adds like a fog effect, and it feels like there's a light source in there too. So cool. Yeah. And this is going to be fuel for further explorations. I love this. Cool. So check out Midjourney. As it happens, I'm paying for my subscription of $10 a month or thereabouts. Try it out for a month, see if you like it. You can cancel after that. But yeah, let me know what you think. As always, thanks for coming by, and I'll see you in the next one.